Did you know there's a sandstorm season in Egypt? It's called the Khamaseen, which refers to the Arabic number Khamseen, meaning 50, because it usually lasts for around 50 days. Winds from the Sahara sweep in, blowing in a lot of dust. The temperatures rise, visibility is very low, and they can be dangerous as well. I remember a few years ago, the winds were very strong and knocked a billboard off, and a man that was driving his motorcycle got hit by it and was killed. So that is one reason I am not driving my motorcycle today. My bike is very light, and with the gusts of wind coming in, I don't feel like dealing with that. Today the winds are about 40 kilometers an hour, gusts up to 63, but it's not too bad right now. A few hours ago it was much crazier. Trees can be knocked over, so it can be a dangerous time. Also, of course, just for your health, maybe you have a scarf over if you happen to be in Egypt when a sandstorm hits. But yeah, today's not too bad. I have been living here for a few years though, and I've seen it much worse with when it's all yellow and it is so windy. I hope you can hear me, but the sky turns yellow. It is crazy. Now, usually Khamaseen is from around March to May, but it's February now when it's hitting, so there's not a strict window for time for these sandstorms to happen. It's just a higher probability during this season in spring. I have never seen a sandstorm coming though, like with a wall, although they do exist and I would love to see that sometime. I have never witnessed it because I live in Cairo, and by the time it hits the city it just looks like this. It just looks like poor visibility. But maybe someday I will capture that if I'm out traveling on my motorcycle during sandstorm season, and if I ever see that wall, you know I'm gonna upload it. So yeah, the more you know. In case you didn't know, Egypt has a sandstorm season.